Hey everyone, welcome back to another FRED tutorial. My name is Josh and today I'm going to show you how to create a mirror using FRED. So to start, select New Document. And this is going to be our new document. Then mouse over the Geometry tab, right click, and select Create New Mirror. After we've created the new mirror, we're going to change our X and Y semi-apertures to 1, and then we're going to hit OK. Now that we can see our mirror in the 3D view, we're going to move over to the Optical Sources folder. We're going to right click, and then we're going to mouse over Create New Source Primitive, and we're going to select Point Source Incoherent. From here, we're going to up our total number of rays to 500. And then our emission cone semi-angle, we're going to change that to be 5 degrees. Changing the color to red. And then we're just going to apply a shift of -5 in the Z direction. And then we're going to right click, append again. And then we're going to apply a rotation about the x-axis of 45 degrees. We then click OK, and we can see that both our mirror and our optical source are visible in the 3D view. After we've done that, we're going to create the plane to catch our rays. So we're going to right click on the geometry folder again, mouse over Create Element Primitive, and we're going to select Plane. And while we're here, we're just going to leave everything the same. We're going to go over and we're going to apply a shift, again of -5 in the Z direction. And then we're going to right click, append again, and we're going to apply another rotation about the x-axis, but this time with -45 degrees. We then click OK. And then selecting the view all, we can see that our plane, our mirror, and our optical source are all visible in the 3D view. And from here, we're just going to run our ray trace by clicking Trace and Render. And here we can see that the rays bounce off our mirror and are stopped on our plane. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to provide you with the best possible support when it comes to working with FRED. Keep an eye out for even more helpful content.